Hello everyone, this is the VR month in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Unique event of its genre in this country. It is the first that is going to be held in the city of Goma in the eastern part of Congo. Amazing place. There will be different type of event. There will be live events where we will have to gather together to have this immersive experience. There will also be an online event where we are gathering different profile, the top of the notch of Africa. They will come from Egypt to Kenya, from Nigeria. They will be talking to you about a wide range of topics, unique topics, from how to build a studio to how to build content and how to immerse people in this kind of VR, what is happening in the Metaverse and how to develop it. I'm inviting all of you to join this event. We will share with you this link where you can go and register so that you can be part of this event. We welcome all of you and we can't wait to see you.